One name, KEDU. Ngwabia ka ngwagi. Imani wiki irite ezigbo ego na this KEDU app. Oh, you didn't know? Well, you could actively earn money off of the KEDU app. You want to know how? Come, let me show you. On the KEDU app, your active engagement isn't just fun, it's rewarding. You can earn KEDU points by doing what you already love, which is posting on the forum, liking posts, commenting, sharing content, reading articles, watching videos, etc. Now the best part is that these KEDU points can actually be converted into the KEDU currency, which can later be translated to money or, withdrawn by an exchange. Oh, Imabuho, well, now you know. As you earn points, you also increase your rank. Let's break it down. This is your starting points. Just sign up and you're in. Okenye. Earn 80 KEDU points and voila, you're an Okenye. At this rank, you get 500 KEDU points monthly. Agadi. With 200 KEDU points, you reach Agadi, gaining 1,500 KEDU points monthly, plus all previous rewards. Ichie. Get to Ichie with 500 KEDU points, unlocking 3,000 KEDU points monthly and all the perks from earlier ranks. Nze. Hit Nze with 4,000 KEDU points, earning 3,000 KEDU points monthly, exclusive community access, and even more project funding opportunities. Oh no, this is the Oga Patapata of them all, and you even get more perks. You earn 3,000 points monthly. However, this rank also gives you the privilege of voting for proposals on Nkwado Obodo. So all you have to do is stay on the app, earn cool points, upgrade your levels from different points to different points, and make cool money, convert it, and the money is all yours, baby. What are you waiting for? Download the KEDU app.